Windows 11, 24H2. Restart and retry basic update. Press Win-I, Windows Update, check for updates. If stuck, restart PC and retry once before deeper fixes. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. 1. Wins-I, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 2. Find Windows Update, Run. 3. Apply suggested fixes, restart and try again. # reset Windows Update components. Run these commands in Command Prompt Admin. You can see the code in our conversation history, then try Windows Update again. Install KB5063878 manually. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Please open your app to see this link. Search KB5063888. Download the .msu file matching your system, ARM64 or x64. Double-click to install, then restart. Check for system file corruption. Run these in Command Prompt Admin. You can see the code in our conversation history, restart after completion. Ensure Servicing Stack Update SSU is installed. Some updates require the latest SSU before installing. Check Windows Update history for pending SSU updates. Install them first, then retry KB5063888. Use In-Place Upgrade Repair, last resort. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft. Choose Upgrade this PC now. This keeps files, apps, but refreshes system components so KB5063878 can install. If you want, I can give you a direct official Microsoft Update Catalog download link for KB5063878 so you skip Windows Update entirely. That usually works instantly when nothing else does.